Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is some veggie pizzas, or you can call them tortillas, however you want. There are some small snacks which are amazing. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to do all the ingredients. First of all, we'll cut 100 grams of spinach, then 1 onion into small pieces, 1 red bell pepper into cubes, and let's grate 1 carrot. And then 4 potatoes that we will grate too. Now let's add the potatoes in a bowl, the spinach, the red bell pepper, the onions, and the carrot, and mix it all together. In another bowl, add 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add half a tablespoon of salt, a bit of pepper, and mix it all together. In the same bowl, add 400 grams of flour and mix it all together. Now let's put together all the mixtures. In a baking pan with some baking paper, let's form the cakes, or the pizza. Then you send it into the oven in 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's grate 50 grams of cheese. Add the cheese on the top and some cajun or sesame seeds. Send them into the oven for about 5 minutes. When it's all done, cut it up and plate it, and you should try it because it's delicious. If you like this recipe, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.